Hello viewers, this is Nobu live from Tokyo. Today I'd like to introduce to you to a facelift 1997 Supra RZS twin turbo 3-liter 6-speed manual. A nice full body kit, non-accident grade in white. Just a beautiful good looking vehicle. As you can see, no damage around the body. It's a non-accident car. It's on 18-inch wheels, and it's on good looking body kit that has no damage. It does have the valve side rear spoiler, and it's on 18-inch wheels. Inside there's extra booster gauges. As you can see, it all works. If you do the mud, this kind of sets up. Tachometer, the water temperature, oil pressure, has a nice cassette stereo CD, and let's see inside the engine. Original seats, look how clean the seats are, and the steering, it has driver's side airbag, and has the passenger side airbag. The engine is a late model VVTi twin turbo motor. See how quiet the engine is? It has a green engine. It comes with a Blitz blow-off valve and an aftermarket air cleaner with a suspension tower bar and a sports suspension. The engine is on right now. No funny noise. Very quiet. Oil's clean. It has the facelift discharge headlights with just around here the headlight. It has, we call it a ring, a ring. So when it's on small light, it's like that BMW or Audi kind of headlights. Really nice going. See how clean the body kits are? There's no damage. A really eye-catching vehicle. Alright, I'll go for a quick spin around the wharf. Woohoo! Oh yeah, this is cool. Can you hear the sound of the oh yeah, this is cool. Alright, here it is. The 1997 facelift twin turbo RZS 6-speed manual Supra. It will be delivered to you guys in a week, so try it out please. Thank you. Bye bye.